5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this 10th annual general meeting of your company. The company has completed another year of record profit. After providing for tax, the company has earned a net profit of rupees 4 crores. This is one of the highest in the shipping industry. With the dividend of 25%, we have declared we will be beating our own past record and setting up a new one as far as the shipping industry is concerned. Friends, you will agree that with this good performance, we have not only lived up to your expectation but also tried to excel our own past performance too. The potentiality of shipping, which was evident in previous years, continued throughout this year. The company's management seized every opportunity to make the best out of the favorable circumstances. I am happy to inform you that some of our ships were able to make a mark for themselves by earning a better rate in international cross trading in spite of stiff competition. The company has continued a policy of judicious employment of its ships both for the country's own trade as also for gross trading. We have also employed a part of our fleet on long-term contracts ensuring steady and regular flow of income and at the same time using every opportunity to make use of all the ships with us. Political and economic climate all over the world has greatly changed in the last 1 year. Signs of liberalization are noticed even in the most conservative regimes, and our country cannot ignore these changes. In this context, it is encouraging to note that the government is also trying to liberalize economic controls. As far as shipping industry is concerned, an era of worldwide economic liberalization is sure to increase the volume of world trade and give a boost to shipping. Except for seasonal fluctuations in freight rates, the overall outlook for international shipping will continue to remain good for the next few years. This view is also supported by international research agencies. In our company, we have always tried to march a step ahead by correctly assessing the risks involved in the industry. Our readiness to avail opportunities to purchase of additional ships was paid as very good dividends in the past. We hope to continue this policy in future also. To enable us to implement our expansion program, we are planning a rights and public issue in a few days. I am sure you will once again extend your valuable support to the company at the appropriate time by reposing your trust and confidence in us by subscribing to the rights and public issue to the maximum extent. We have taken this step keeping in view the great scope for the shipping industry in the years to come. With your continued support and cooperation, we are confident of maintaining our record of excellence and marching together and reach our common goal of generating profitable returns for the company as well as its loyal shareholders. Before I conclude, I think it is my duty to convey my sincere thanks to all the government agencies, banks, and financial institutions for their valuable support and guidance given during the period under review. I also wish to convey my thanks to all our officers and staff for their constant endeavors to improve the company's performance and bringing it to improve the position. I also take this opportunity to thank the members of the company for the continued confidence they have in the management. Thanking you. Letter dated 10th March 1989 from Kannan Auto Services Limited, Madurai to Messrs. Naigam Textiles Mills Limited, Madurai. Dear Sir, we are pleased to inform you that we have recently established our service station in this city. We have with us efficient and brilliant mechanics. We have who have acquired considerable experience in attending to repairs and maintenance of automobiles of all makes, three wheelers, two wheelers, etc. We have also stocked spare parts and accessories usually required by users of cars, three wheelers, two wheelers, etc. Some of them are imported varieties. We can supply the spare parts for all vehicles including imported ones. As we learn that you have a number of cars, lorries, trucks both in your factory at Madurai and also in your sister concerns. We offer our services to you either on monthly basis or on a job to job basis. We have a dozen mechanics, 10 cleaners and other technicians. They will be in a position to attend to the maintenance of your vehicles promptly and efficiently. We wish to inform you that our charges are moderate. We may add for your information that Messrs. Mohan Mills of this city have been pleased to appoint us on contract for attending to their vehicles. We request you to entrust to us a trial job to prove our best workmanship. We solicit your patronage and assure you of our dependable and good service. Yours truly.